Welcome back, it's Dr. Denton with Salisbury Eye Care and Eyewear. Today we're going to talk about some ingredients that are commonly found in makeup that you may want to avoid. So the first ingredient to tell you about is something called BAK or benzalkonium chloride. I am super familiar with BAK because not only is it used in makeups, but it also is used to preserve some eye drops. The thing about BAK is that you can actually react to it, your eyes can be very sensitive to it, and it can also damage the epithelial layer of your cornea. Your cornea is that clear front covering of your eye. There are 5 layers to the cornea, and the frontmost layer is called the epithelium. Now the epithelium is not all that thick, just maybe 5 to 7 cells thick if I'm remembering correctly. And it is very susceptible to BAK, especially if used in high doses. That's why certain eye drops that you use, artificial tears, over the counter, you want to watch for them to have BAK, because if you're using them a lot, it can actually make your eyes more uncomfortable, more dry feeling, and just should be avoided if you can. Now BAK can also be included in makeup, so you do want to flip those over, look at the ingredient list, and avoid BAK whenever possible. It's important to remember that makeup is not regulated in the way that maybe foods or drugs are regulated, and so even if a product is labeled hypoallergenic, that doesn't mean you can't be allergic to it. It's still certainly possible to be allergic to something in the makeup itself. Now, in general, to my patients, I do recommend hypoallergenic types of makeup, but I always give the disclaimer that you can never really tell what you're going to be allergic to. Finally, my last tip about what to avoid is, in general, I prefer you to not use waterproof mascaras, waterproof varieties of makeup. Now, specifically, these types of makeups include yellow caruba wax, I think that's how you say it, which is what helps make them waterproof. The problem with waterproof makeups is that they can clog your glands. They're more difficult to get off. They require harder scrubbing of your eyelid margin itself, so mechanically you're doing more damage. But they also can kind of clog those glands and prevent them from working like they should. So in conclusion, just some simple things to avoid. I would say avoid waterproof mascara whenever possible. Avoid BAK whenever possible. Do go for hypoallergenic types of mascara, but keep in mind that even that might not be enough to ensure that you're not going to be allergic to something in the ingredient list. All right, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my tips on what to look for in your makeup to be eye healthy and safe. And we will catch you next time. We have new videos coming every Wednesday at 4 o'clock.